Hello and welcome. I'm at Hobby at Caravan Salon, and I'm going to show you this vehicle which has a rear washroom and single beds. This thing will cost 88,000 euros and is 740 centimeters in length. Now it's at 4 belted positions. You can sleep 4 by turning this in area up here also into a bed. Enormous lounge at the front. We've got a corner kitchen. We've got 2 separate single beds, and if I come to the back you'll see the washroom, which is here, and it's very attractive and large. Lots of space in here. I don't see this very often these days. 7 years ago I went out in a vehicle like this from Death Lefts, and I'll give you a link to my experiences in it. Oh, that's a bit tough. There we go. Large wardrobe as well in there. I think this is quite nice actually, although I don't like these bowls at all, even though they're all the rage at the moment. There's also a storage behind the mirror, as you'd expect as well. So there you go. I think this is a layout also more suited perhaps for people, well, first of all, people not sleeping together, and secondly for more elderly people. This type of bed offers very, very easy access. Storage up here, so like that. Also got, it's contoured down here, but it's flat inside. Here we have the kitchen, standard I suppose, 3 burners, well 2 seem to be standard these days. And you've got a very attractive kitchen block from Cannes, preparation space, you've got a sink, you've got kitchen drawers in the kitchen block, and under here we will find an additional bit of storage, but it doesn't go very deep, and the reason it doesn't go very deep is because the gas canisters are stored under here, but access of course is from the outside. In here we have got the fridge, and in here storage. Looking to the front, of course, we can see the storage. You can sort of keep stuff up there as well. This is a Fiat Ducato. I have nothing against the Fiat Ducato. In fact, I've got nothing against any of them, any of the main vehicle chassis. Right, let's have a look outside as well. I think that this is a much less popular layout than it was. Storage under here, and you can see the door to the storage compartment is 1 meter by 51 centimeters. Have a look at the back. Reversing camera, in my opinion, absolutely essential. That's for the cassette toilet. You've got the same again for storage under this bed as well. You can also access from under the bed should you want to. That is where the cassettes are. It's not cassettes, sorry. That's where the gas cylinders are. And pull this up and this will slide out. I can't do it with one hand. Very good solution. So there you go, Hobby Maxia T, and I'm going to walk around to this vehicle as well, as the sort of parks are close together. Now, I've seen some brilliant driving, how people putting vehicles incredibly close together at trade fairs. I'd never seen an accident. Well, not until I came here. My first ever accident, that I saw at an event, and it wasn't two motorhomes, it wasn't with a motorhome, it was with a forklift truck and a bicycle. So I did rather feel sorry for the forklift truck driver. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, and this is the largest selection of campervans, motorhomes you'll find anywhere on YouTube. If you're interested in buying something and you're in Europe, then you want to have a look at things I've filmed. And bear in mind that whereas prices may change, and certainly have changed enormously in the time that I've been doing this, in fact they've doubled in the time I've been doing this, layouts themselves don't change that much. And not only that, I am suggesting people buy older vehicles, buy used vehicles, and some of the stuff I did many years ago might be of use to you. So anyway, good. For the moment, thanks for watching. Bye for now.